Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom cursor effect on Wix. Let's get started. So in order to do that, let's just first add in a section. So click on section right here. And then in here, you can choose where you want to put that section. So for me, I'll actually add the blank section right here. So let me just click on this blank section. And then as you can see, it has been added right here. So what we can do is we can actually head over and resize it. And then from in here, just click on this Add Elements again. And then click on Embed Code. And then from in here, you can just scroll down on your embeds that you can use. So you can use custom codes or anything right here, like all of these things that you can see. So in here, you should be able to see embedded site, custom element, embed HTML. So for me, I'll just choose this embed HTML and then click on Add to Site right here. Or you can also just drag this in here. Now on the code right here, just put this code right here. I will just put this on the description below. So in essence, this code is actually a picture of a frying pan with an egg. Now in here, you can see all of these things right here. Now on this code, we should be able to see it on our actual website. So first, add in the code again if it isn't saved right here, and then click on update right here in order to make an update. Now on this thing right here, make sure to resize it to scale your website. So let me scale this to my website just like this. Now the next thing I can do is I can publish this change on my website, or I can just preview that. But for me, I'll just publish this change. And then in here, it will load to my homepage wherein I can see what my homepage will look like. So it will render for a bit, and as you can see on this specific part of the web page, you can see the picture of a frying pan with an egg as my cursor right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.